I just made baguettes for the first time and it's a success. So here's my first baking tutorial on how to make baguettes. It's 4th of July and I'm making baguettes. I bought T65 French Bread Flour and I just measured 8 cups of it. It's a lot. Okay, I just poured 2.5 cups of water and a packet of yeast and 2 tablespoons of salt into the center of 8 cups of flour. Now I get to mix it. Uh-oh. This is how they did it on the YouTube video I watched, but I feel like it's just gonna break and spill all over the place. He said to keep one hand free in case you need to touch anything. It's working. I love baking. Okay, I'm gonna add another 1/2 cup of water. Because the recipe said use 2.5 cups of water and then add another 1/2 cup if it's too dry. So I'll slowly keep adding more water until it looks like the video. Great. Now this is the consistency that he had it. And then at this point, he starts slamming it on the table. Now this is why I chose this recipe, because it looked the most fun. So he did this. Okay, so now I put that ball of dough in a bowl with a damp cloth over it, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator overnight. Well, I thought I was recording and I wasn't recording, so I already shaped these baguettes. I just rolled them. I took the risen dough out of the bowl, I cut it in sections, and then I rolled them, and I tried to pinch the dough over itself to make a crease on the top, because that's what they showed to do in the video. This one you can really see it, probably too much, but yeah, it'll just make the top like prettier looking, I think. Hopefully. Let's see. I'm gonna preheat the oven now while these rise a little bit more. And I'm gonna put a bowl of water at the bottom of the oven to make it humid. I just took these out of the oven and it's the best bread I ever made. Look at that.